Hey everyone, Richard Goes UK back for a brand new video. Do apologise about the wind. We're just walking towards Fantasy Island now in Goldmouse. Gonna go some shopping. We might go on some rides, we're not too sure yet. You're not a big fan of it, are you, Lisa, the rides?
No, I had a near-death experience a few years ago. It was horrible.
Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe. And if you love all things vlogs, physical media, video games, hit that subscribe button most importantly. So what are we waiting for?
Let's get into it.
So the near-death experience Lisa was on about, she was on a ride with Katie, I was on separately, and it was one of them old-fashioned like rides. And her and Lisa were sliding side to side, weren't they?
Yeah.
Nearly went out, weren't very good. But we're going to go and have a fancy. There's the view. It's like we didn't know, it's a couple of minute walk from Butlins, but we parked in the £4 car park in the off chance that we do get loads of stuff today.
Darling, down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with that in mind till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Got your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. Oh, I really should've known. Be with that in mind till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's down for us. No, you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. After all this time, this is it for us. After all this time, this is it for us. Oh, I really should've known. Be with that in mind till we hit a red light. Then I see the sign. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try.
Bit of coaster. Yep.
Come on, one as well. Oh God, look.
It's a note, isn't it?
Look.
£12 is £2 in Honolulu.
Yeah. Oh, so they are coasters.
They are indeed.
Oh, hello.
Like that one. Would you have that one? You take because you need a new coaster.
They're all different underneath them, so you have to flick through them,
Okay.
alright?
Okay. Oh God, Virgin Gym.
Ghostface. To your tab.
Yeah, £15. Yeah, only £2 each on the magnets, or 3 for £5.
That's weird.
Do you imagine the dogs playing with her?
More Miss M.
Hello.
everywhere.
Clearance. £4. Oh God, nearly lost the coaster. Oh God, that's disgusting.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. It's like a teaser.
For anyone that doesn't know, for some reason I got a phobia with eyes. Like nobody could touch my eye. And I don't like when people touch their eyes either. It's just no, gross. They are £5. If you put one of them in with Nala, do you reckon she'd know that it was a stuffed animal? Do you reckon she'd think it's a real... Oh! Cards Against Disney, have a laugh. £20. Oh my God. Cards Against Muggles.
This is more important. Feel this.
Yeah, Michelle's got a thing with squishies. She bought one earlier.
It's just like satisfying.
Yeah. It's like a Stretch Armstrong. Who remembers that? That was the OG squishy. Seen all these different chocolate bars.
They're not pretty.
Oh, this one. Oh, that one. Dipshit. You got Minga. Nonce. What's this one? I want your... Oh God. Oh my God. Cunty. Got a tosser as well. And I did weirdo. These are funny. £4 each.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah, yeah, yeah. Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to ride upon me all night long. Yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow.
Yeah, don't look at the tissue, it's quite gross. But Michelle had a last minute tattoo, last minute decision. She had a sorting hat from Harry Potter. How much
It
did you
looks a
pay?
bit. It looks a bit of a mess at the moment because it's been bleeding and the ink's leaking a bit.
How much did you pay?
25.
Yeah, sparking that is. Being out quite early today, so we thought we'd just sit down and chill. Got an Oreo, a milkshake. What did you have? Milk before early? Is it nice?
Yeah, try it.
Hang on. Oh, that's nice. Hang on. Mine's better though.
10,070, 20, whichever.
700 and something.
Yeah, Lisa with this thing.
Quite a few.
So she got a plasma lamp for 2,000.
Yeah, we got some decent prices for change.
Got a retro, them things that you bash for 2,000.
Yeah, I love them.
700 odd ticket to get that.
I love these.
And then we got some spinners, so you got Tails. No, Tails, Knuckles, Sonic, and Tails. 750 each.
I'm surprised they didn't have a shadow.
Exactly.
But you can spin the car.
one that some girl was stalking you, weren't she?
Yeah. And it is. The squish them, collect them all, squishy animal. Don't worry, I won't rip the feet off.
Oh, that's so satisfying. Another one. Do you want to try with that the food or should we go to this one here?
Do you reckon that would work?
I reckon it will. Finally, Lisa, it's only took you 10 goals.
Back in again then.
What did you? Which one did you get? So we did pick up a couple of things at the button shops. It's like 11 o'clock at night now. We've got some playing cards, a couple of pins for the collection for the pin boards. We got buttons 2026, another buttons 2026, and another one. We couldn't find a 90th anniversary one for some reason, but hopefully my mum and dad's coming in about 4 weeks after this is recorded, so hopefully they'll be able to get some for us. So it's Wednesday evening for us. We did go for food tonight. We went to Burger King. It was quite nice, to be fair, other than I ordered it with no sauce on, other than ketchup, and they gave me mustard, which Lisa ended up swapping for me. We went to watch Jack and the Beanstalk tonight, and it was really good. I recognised the one who played the mum. The man obviously dressed up as a woman. It's the same person who was in Mining and Bognor, so they must travel around from site to site. We didn't really go much anything else. This holiday's mainly about relaxing, going to charity shops, doing some different stuff. We're not sure what we got planned tonight. Ignore my hair. I think we're after Skegness Seafront. We have to check out the next one. I had my tattoo today, as you've probably seen. I'm really happy with it. So we're going to say, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like all things about vlogs, physical media, video games, and all sorts of stuff we do on this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, hit that hype button and click that notification bell to get all the latest updates and when videos go live. So stay safe and keep on vlogging.